This is an unboxing video of the LiftBoard, where Nikki and I test drive the electric longboard. This video is shot entirely using the iPhone X to test out the quality, stabilization and time-lapse features of the camera. More importantly, we will be testing out the long-awaited features that made this top-notch phone so freaking expensive, the N emoji. Nikki and I are going to Sam's Club. There's an electric longboard called LiftBoard for $300. Boo? Bye-bye.
It's a hot knock life.
Back from Sam's. Got our LiftBoard. Let's unbox. Wow, this is nice. Ooh, I like the look of it already. Love the handle. Wow. Alright, let's put it over here. Got some extra belt. Ooh, here's the remote. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I've never ridden an electric longboard before.
It's mine though.
Here's some tools to work on your longboard. Ooh, and a charger. Oh wow, this thing is awesome. Let's see. So it says LiftBoard in the front. Got a handle, pretty heavy. So I believe it says 15 pounds. This is big wheel, maybe 90 millimeter. Wow. So a single motor is belt driven. So it's not a hub motor. Looking good so far. I don't think it's flexible enough to bend. Actually, you can't bend this guy because there's a whole rig down here. Here's a little connection to charge. I'm assuming this is not to be ridden in rain or snow because water can get in here and damage the board.
What's it going by itself?
Well, it's going downhill. Back is brake. I haven't test brake yet, so you may want to slow down on the brake button too.
Where's the brake button?
Go back. So slide forward to go forward, slide backward to go backward. I mean, it doesn't go backward, but it's just gonna brake for you. So slide a little bit forward. It's gonna.
It doesn't. Like, what the hell?
Oh, well, no. It brakes when you go forward.
Oh.
So this is a good beginner board for Nikki because they advertise 16 miles per hour, but I bet you I didn't even go 16 miles and it was extremely scary. Nikki's a pro. She actually taught me how to ride a hoverboard. Like it?
Yeah, how do I turn?
You lean your body.
Shit, I can't do that. Look at you.
I take it back. You still have to be careful braking, like go slower, see?
Mm-hmm. Is wider safer?
I would think so.
But my leg is so short.
There's someone behind us, boo.
I'm stuck.
Keep your body straight, knee bent a little, and just lean forward or lean backward.
Does it turn?
It does turn. You've been turning it.
But it's like so slow.
Okay, now lean backward to go the other way.
Oh!
Nikki and I promised ourselves that we're gonna get this done by today in less than 2 hours, so we can actually have time to go watch the new Thor movie.
It's not turning.
8.2 IMDb rating. That's gotta be a good movie. Give me a smile.
Going back.
Yeah.
Take off. Bye-bye.
Try to turn, okay?
What?
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Started for you.
Yeah, which one is considered buy one get one free?
Any of our holiday drinks.
What you got there?
Toasted white chocolate mocha. Chestnut frap.
Boo. Go.
Hi.
Oh, that looks nice, huh? Guess I skipped like Thanksgiving altogether. It's all about Christmas now. Something smells very Asian.
What the?
Alexa, are you connected?
Yes, I am connected to the internet.
Alexa, play my Beat playlist.
Your playlist, Beats,